Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. So today I have recreated a face chart off of Instagram. The Instagram channel that I absolutely love, I love all of their face charts, is at milk1422. I will put the Instagram handle somewhere on the screen so you can see it. Make sure you look them up. Honestly, amazing face charts. I love doing this and I want to recreate more. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little notification button so you know when I will be posting. I try to post every Thursday, so yeah, turn it on so you know when I post up my video. If you want to see how I recreated this look, then please continue watching. So I did the one eye off of camera. I'm going to do the other one now. The first product I'm going in with is the p.louise base in shade Rumour 0.5. So this eyeshadow primer is amazing. It really makes the eye color pop. That's why I'm using it for this look, because you don't really notice the yellow, but this is really gonna help bring it out. I'm going to be using the p.louise brush. I'm gonna dab it into the primer and pat it all over my eyelid. With a clean fluffy brush, I am just going to go over the edges to make them blend in. Using a Morphe E28, I'm going to dip into the Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color Campy. With the Lottie London packing brush, I'm going to dip back into Campy and pat that all over the lid. We're actually going to be moving on to the face next. Today for primer, I'm using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. For foundation, we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in 260. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in Neutral. We're going to be setting the face with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. While the face sets, we're going to move on to brows, and today I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Brow Power in Universal Taupe. And on top, I'm going to use the Brow Gel Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers in Brown Hair. So I finished one eyebrow. I'm going to do the other off of camera as well as clean them up a little bit, and I'll be right back. I'm back and my brows are on, and I've also swept away all of the excess powder using the Morphe R10 brush, which is this dome brush here. To bronze today, I am going to use the Pure Cosmetics Mineral Glow Bronzing Powder and a Morphe R7 brush. For contouring today, we're going to use the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor Highlight and Contour Palette on a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. For blush today, I am going to use the Milani Cosmetics Baked Blush in Berry Amore on a Morphe R14 brush. So we're just going to finish off the eyes. Going back into the Life's a Drag palette, I'm using a Morphe M412 brush and going into Campy again. For in the waterline there is some red, so I'm taking the MAC lip liner in Cherry. To set the waterline, I'm just taking a liner brush, going into the Life's a Drag palette, and jumping into Snatched. Next, we're moving on to mascara. So on my top lashes, I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. My bottom lash line, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. Next, I will be applying falsies, and today I'm using the Everlash Co. falsies in Ashley. I'm going to be applying these off of camera, and I'll be right back. I'm back and my eyelashes are on. We're moving on to highlight, and I really wanted to pop, so we're going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive. So for lipstick today, I am using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Alien. While the lipstick dries, I am going to move on to creating some highlight. I'm going to use the NYX White Liquid Liner. Now that my lips are dry, I am going to create the yellow lines down the middle of my lip. So to do that, I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Halo. Now I have to create a little bit of highlight on the lip. So again, I'm going to use the white. To complete the look, we just need to add a little mole over the lip. And to do that, I am using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. And to set this face, we are going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible-Pro Spray and Set Setting Spray. Alright guys, that completes my recreation of the Milk 1422 face chart. I really enjoyed recreating it, so maybe I'll be recreating more sometime in the future. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Hey, I'm J Craft. We're actually going to move using the Morphe. Oh my bad.